welcome to my YouTube channel Adventure SG. So today we are going to solve another interesting word problem on fraction. We'll be using a technique called repeated identity to solve this question. So hope you will enjoy it. Let's start with reading the question first. Ben had 1 by 6 as many stickers as Glenn. Ben had 2 by 3 as many stickers as Pat. If they had 238 stickers altogether, how many stickers did each of them have? So, what do we have here? We have three people, right? Three people, namely what? Ben, Glenn, and Pat. So, if you notice here, right, the Ben is repeated twice. Okay, Ben is here because we are saying that Ben had 1 by 6 as many stickers as Glenn. It means Ben is only having 1 by 6th of what Glenn have, right? So we can say if Ben is 1 unit, right, Glenn will be 6 units, right? Now how about here? See, Ben had 2 by 3 as many stickers as Pat. Okay, so here Ben is 2 unit and Pat is 3 unit. So important thing to notice here is that this guy Ben is repeated twice, right? So in order to solve this question, we will be using a technique called repeated identity. Okay, so let me write it here. That's called repeated identity. Why it's called repeated identity? Because see, one of the thing is repeated, one of the names is repeated here. Whose name is repeated here is Ben, right? So how do we solve it? So we will divide it into two cases. So in the first case, we'll be comparing Ben and Glenn, means how many stickers Ben is having and how many stickers Glenn is having. So let's write it like this. So let's say this is my case 1. Okay, and then we write here Ben and Glenn, right? So what do we have from the question? See, Ben is 1 by 6 of Glenn, right? That means he's having only 1 by 6 as many stickers as Glenn. That means if Ben is 1 unit, Glenn is 6 unit, right? Then how about the second case? Here Ben had 2 by 3 as many stickers as Pat. Okay, so let's write our case 2. Okay, in which again Ben is there, he's repeating. Okay, and Pat is there, he's a new guy. Okay, so we have new name here, Pat. Okay, and when we compare Ben and Pat's sticker, Ben is 2 units and Pat is 3 units. So clearly you see here both the places Ben is repeated, right? But now the thing is, see, here Ben is 1 unit, right? And here in the second case it is 2 unit. So it's not possible, right? Because one person will have the same number of stickers, right? Same number of stickers. He cannot have different number of stickers, right? So that means we have to make the units of Ben in both the cases same, right? In both the cases we should have the same number of units. However, here as of now, here it is 1 unit and here it is 2 units. So if we try to make it 1 unit, right, we have to divide it by 2. But then if I divide Ben's unit here by 2, I have to divide Pat's unit also by 2. But then that will give me a decimal number, right? Because 3 divided by 2 will give me 1.5. So I don't want to go into decimal. Okay, so what I can do is I can make this one easily to 2 units, right? How can I make it 2 unit? Just multiply it by 2, right? We'll get 2 units. But the important thing to note is that since these Ben and the number of stickers of Ben and Glenn are related, right? Ben is 1 by 6 of Glenn. So if we multiply Ben's unit by 2, we have to multiply Glenn's unit also by 2, so that the fraction remains the same. See, it's still Ben is 1 by 6 of Glenn, right? Because 2 by 12 is same as 1 by 6, right? If we divide both numerator and denominator by 2, we will get 1 by 6, right? So so it's fine, right? So that's why we need to multiply both Glenn and Ben's unit by 2, not only Ben's. Okay, this is something to note. Okay, then what's our final number of unit for each of them? Okay, so we can write again. Okay, from here what do we get? Ben is having 2 units, Glenn is having 12 units, and how about Pat? There is no change in the Pat, right? So Pat is 3 units. Okay, now if they had 238 stickers altogether, means altogether all of them have 238 stickers. So and we also know that how much in terms of unit, how much each of them is having, right? So from here we can calculate what is the total number of units of sticker they have, right? So the total number of units is 2 units plus 12 unit plus 3 unit, right? So that will give me 17 units, right? Okay, now we have 17 unit. This 17 unit is equal to how much? This 17 unit is equal to 238, right? Because all together they have 238 stickers. So I can say 1 unit will be equal to 238 divided by 17. That means 1 unit will be equal to 14, right? So now we know how much is 1 unit, right? We can calculate, like the question is how many stickers did each of them have. That means we have to separately calculate how much each of them is having. So let's do that. So Ben is having 2 units. So we can say 2 unit is equal to 2 times 14. So that will give me 28, right? Then similarly, Glenn, how about Glenn? Glenn is 12 units. Okay, Glenn is 12 units. So that will give me 12 times 14. Okay, so that will give me 168 because 12 times 14 is 168. And then how about Pat? So Pat is 3 units. So 3 units will be 3 times 14, right? And it will give me 42. Okay, so that's how much each of them will be having separately, each of them. So Ben will be having 28, Glenn is having 168, and Pat is having 42. You can also check your answer. If you add all of them, it should be 238. Okay, it should be 238. So I hope you liked the solution. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.